Are you ready to make an easy but very beautiful ear cuff that sits here? We need to draw a map of the ear that we are going to design this ear cuff for. And then the map would be something like this, a straight line of about 1 centimeters, a curved line, and then another one. At the midpoint, we are going to draw semicircle shapes, just like these, and the width is just appropriate with the bead or stone that you are going to use. I'm using pearl. The diameter of my pearl is about 5 millimeters, and I'm using this type. And how many do you need? It depends on the size that you are going to make this ear cuff, and I need 6 of these pearls. Of course, we need wires in 2 thickness, 20 and 24 gauge, and also main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter or flush cutter. Pick up the 20 gauge wire and bend it in about 1 centimeters with chain nose pliers and make it a total bend and squeeze it well with this chain nose pliers, of course, and you could open it up a little with your round nose pliers. And this complete bend is just like the one that we had in previous tutorial on how to make the moon shape. So I open it up a little, and then here I'm going to make semicircle shapes that embraces the pearl or bead or stone, of course, and the size is inappropriate with the size of my pearl. Now I put it again on this semicircle shape to check the size out, and now I'm going to repeat that size in other direction to have a S-shaped letter, and then I would continue that for several times. And of course, I continue making those semicircle shapes at the length that I desire on the ear. So this is okay now. Then at the end, I leave a space of about 3 centimeters and then cut it out with flush cutter. Now put this structure on the map you had drawn, and I would do that on the ear that I had made, and of course I would squeeze it a little to shape it curved a little. When you put it on the ear, we have a horizontal line and a vertical line that inserts into ear hole. Then with the thinner wire of about 24 gauge, we make a tie at the start point of the first semicircle wire shape. And I would do that with my round nose pliers to wrap it all around and to fasten it up easier. Wrap this first tie for about 3 times and then cut it out and squeeze the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. Then cut it out in about 2 times of the size that we had made for the main structure. The distance, of course, is twice. Insert the bead or pearl. For mine, of course, is a pearl. And then make another wire wrapping part in front of the first wire wrapping part and wrap it for at least about 1 or 2 times. And I would continue that for the rest shapes. I mean, in every semicircle shape, we would place a bead or pearl or even a stone with, of course, hole in between. And don't forget to squeeze every 2 wire wrapping part to be attached tight. I would insert the second pearl in and another wire wrapping part and continue that for all of these shapes. And I would put it again on the ear and make a very little loop at the end of this wire and shape it like a open swirl. This is the place that we need another band the other direction like this to be placed all around the ear to be kept tight at the top. And it depends on the thickness of the ear that you are going to design this ear cuff for. And this would be the result. One side is just like ear pin and it goes into the ear hole, and the other part is going to be kept tight somewhere at the middle of your ear. And that's it. Our very beautiful ear cuff is ready. Hope you had enjoyed. Take care and bye-bye.